Okay, I am going to make myself clear. Every animal farts, no matter how big, how small, if they're extinct or alive, they all fart. Dinosaurs farted probably, like even the smaller ones to the sauropods. Sauropods fart all the time because they are freaking large animals. They eat a lot of vegetation, just like modern elephants. They fart all the time because they're freaking huge all the time. Yeah, because they're huge. So, MatPal makes a lot of freaking like calculations on thinking that dinosaurs farted themselves to death of the extinction or something. That is a complete lie, Matt. Every animal farts. Even sea animals like whales probably farted themselves. Cupcake, you really need to study about animals because obviously you don't know what you're talking about, Matt. It's a shame, really, that you don't know nothing because you are a fucking hypocrite and like to worship your boyfriend and your other boyfriend, Brett, whatever the fuck his name is. Or actually, the manatee fella. I'm just gonna call him that because he does look like a freaking wash-up manatee, like AJ says. You need to get your head right. Once again,